Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So today was a snowstorm here in Jersey, and I'm about to go outside in this snowstorm for you guys, and I'm literally going to shovel and maybe play in the snow with my sister. I have my dogs here. I'm gonna show you guys how high the snow actually is. Don't mind the way I look, like I'm not in the mood to throw any makeup on. It's like a lazy day, lazy snow day, so we're just chilling, about to shovel. My mom's out there right now shoveling a little bit, so we're gonna go help her. Look at this. Look how high this is. It's so white, you can't even see. Look how high. This was already shoveled, but like you can literally, you can't even see our cars. Our cars are in the driveway. That little thing right there, look, that is literally our car, but the snow is covered. It's crazy out. Literally crazy out. That's my mom's shoveling. So yeah, so like I said, we're about to go out there. I don't even have a winter jacket. I literally don't. I have one that's like from years ago and it hasn't even fit me. Look at my mom. You can't even see her. It's so white. Look. But yeah, I have one that's like years old, so hopefully it fits me. We need some gloves. We need some hats. There's my sister. Oh my god, she's ready! She's ready. Okay, so like I said, okay, so we're about to go outside right now, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like outside. It's literally crazy. What's cute? No.
I do have one if you want it. She doesn't want one.
Guys, look at this. We really are out here right now. If you know me, I hate the fucking snow. I literally hate the snow.
Where's Taylor and Jordan? Not shoveling.
Can I get the shovel?
What?
We're about to just shovel and look. Okay, I could show you guys now better. Look. Does work one time. Ow, there's nothing there. Look at how high this snow is.
Why is it?
Look at the cars. Oh my god.
I'm not getting out.
What?
I'm not getting out.
No. Look at the pile. It's literally sick. Wow. Do we have a sled? We should go sledding.
Yeah. It's not even hard enough for the snow, right? It wouldn't move. It would get stuck. It would go right down.
Oh.
Alright, let's try air. You can take the shovel.
I dare you to jump in the snow right now.
This is tipping me off.
Yeah, it's a little brick. Okay, we're gonna shovel for a little bit.
Oh, my eyes.
Look at this. Like the camera's getting all gross and wet. So we're gonna shovel for a little bit, and then I'll get back to you guys soon. What? Look at this girl. Look at this girl. I dare you to jump in the snow. Wait, this is not high enough. You're gonna hit your head on concrete.
I'm not gonna put my whole body in.
Oh.
Where my feet go, ready?
No, I know.
What the? Oh my
Honestly,
god.
it's deep.
Guys, you want to know what's crazy? Is that this whole walkway was shoveled already. It was shoveled. It was snow plowed. John did it for us. Our neighbor did it for us because he's so nice. And literally look at it already. That's why it's like it's not stopping the snow.
Alright, let's see.
Look at this shit.
Yo. I think we're just gonna have to wait till like Thursday.
This is her first time shoveling, guys.
And
Clearly, she doesn't know what to do.
like, where does this go from? How about we just do this?
Ow, what? Bro. Bro. Now you have to dump it. That's too heavy. Oh my god, the snow hurts. She's stuck.
It's heavy.
Should we build a snowman? This bitch. I know. Let's get the shovel. Guys, this is sick. I hate living in Jersey. Comment down below if you guys have ever seen snow, because there's some people out, how crazy, that have never seen snow.
Well, this is a lot of snow to be seen.
Yes, this is a lot, so lucky you guys. This sucks.
Miserable.
Literally.
Some hot chocolate.
That's what we're about to do when we go inside later. Hot chocolate.
I'm gonna
It actually looks pretty though. It's like a winter wonderland.
That works.
What?
This, look, ready?
Yes, that's what you're supposed to do. That's shoveling.
I'm just had to get into the hang of it first.
Oh my god, this is actually sick. It's not even cute. I can't shovel with one hand.
What happened to, like, you remember, like, back in the day when, like, little kids used to come around like, I'll shovel your driveway for, like,
Facts. For like $50 or $100.
where are they now?
They don't like the snow. Nah, this is like a lot of snow. This is literally so... She just almost fell. Guys, comment down below and give this video a thumbs up for my sister shoveling for the first time in her life. She's... I can't. This is not even funny. It's like smacking me in the face. I hate this shit. Oh shit. Go ahead, Eve. Go ahead. Look at her. Chase loves it.
Alright, now what?
Yeah, you wanna go outside? Oh, she wants to go. Just go outside. Where's Chase? Yeah, there he is. Let's go outside. I'm gonna take the dogs outside, guys. Yay! Oh, yay! Go ahead, Chase. He loves this. He's made for the snow, the big dog. The little dog hates it, but come on, come on. Good boy. Go ahead, Bobby. Go ahead. Go ahead. You want to step up? Holy shit, guys. Look how deep this snow is. Literally to my kneecaps. Where's E? E? E, Dad? Come on, E. They're over it. Chase, you want to play? They're literally over it. I'm over it too, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, I'm going back in the house. Everyone's clearly over the snow. I'm not made for the snow. Did you hear the wind? It's literally blowing like crazy. I'm gonna go get warm, change into some nice warm clothes, and then I'll be back to you guys. Okay guys, so I just showered and I'm in warm clothes now. Thank God, because that snow is not it. If you guys have never experienced snow, like, low-key good for you, because I hate snow. But anyway, my mom made some nachos, so they're right here. We're about to eat some nachos, and I think I'm gonna make some hot chocolate. But I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you guys like this quick little vlog of us in the snow. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what else you guys want to see from me. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.